Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a no-bake cold dessert, creamy, smooth and perfect for quick sweet cravings. No oven needed, just simple ingredients and amazing taste. In a bowl add 2 cups milk, 3 tablespoons custard powder. Mix well until smooth. Custard gives a smooth creamy texture and keep aside. In a pan add 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon water. Cook until the sugar caramelizes. Add 1 teaspoon butter. Caramel adds rich flavor and color. 3 tablespoon water. Mix well. Caramelize sugar carefully to prevent burning. Now pour in the custard mixture. Keep stirring continuously. Stir continuously while cooking. Add 1 teaspoon cream and mix well. Cook until the mixture thickens nicely. Pour into a bowl and let it cool. Cover with foil and keep in the fridge for 30 minutes. Chill properly for best texture. After chilling, beat the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes for a smooth texture. No-bake desserts are quick and easy to prepare. Pour into serving cups. Homemade dessert avoid preservatives. Milk provides calcium and nutrients. Controlled sugar make it a better choice. Top with peanuts. Serve chilled. Peanut add healthy fats and crunch. Your creamy no-bake cold dessert is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy dessert recipes.